Once your machine is set up, choose a splice mode that corresponds with the fiber type you'll be working with, and select a heater mode that corresponds with the shrink sleeves you have. In this case, I'm using 2 standard single mode fibers, so I'll use the SM Auto as my splice mode. Choosing the right splice mode is a crucial factor to successful splicing. Be sure to identify the fiber type you're using and choose the splice mode that corresponds with the fiber at hand. For example, if you're splicing single mode fiber to single mode fiber, you'll likely start with an SM Auto, SM Fast, or SM to SM. Similarly, when splicing multi-mode fiber to itself, you'll likely begin with choices such as MM Auto, MM Fast, or MM to MM. Any splice mode with the word Auto after it will monitor arc power with each splice, making minor adjustments from one splice to the next. This helps maintain accuracy in arc calibration as environmental conditions change throughout the day. It's important to note that this isn't a substitute for daily arc calibrations. Factors like temperature, barometric pressure, and humidity impact the required arc power for precise fiber melting. Since conditions can vary daily, start the day with a quick arc calibration and then use a splice mode ending in auto to keep the initial calibration's accuracy as conditions evolve throughout the day. Splice modes with the fast suffix will assume the correct fiber type is loaded, adopt the most recently calibrated arc power value, and perform the splice in as little time as possible. Splice modes without a suffix after the listed fiber types are categorized as special modes. These modes have an extended parameter list that you can customize for your splice recipe. Choose one of these modes when working with a special fiber type, or if you need to adjust certain parameters. Choosing a heater mode is fairly straightforward. In most cases, single fibers are protected with 60 millimeter, 40 millimeter, or fuse connect protection sleeves. However, heating profiles are also available for other types of protection sleeves.